go and come. Word map. In today's exercise, we will take one word and see how many related words we know. The main word will be the label on a vase, and each flower will have a related word. Every time you add a new word, another flower will appear on the vase. Let's first read the words already in the first vase. Mother,
love, family,
daughter,
son.
father,
Can you add to it?
Yes, teacher. Home, sister,
brother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
baby,
Aunt.
uncle.
cousin.
Excellent, children. You have added many more flowers to this vase. Now, do the same with the next vase. Plant,
Flower,
Green,
leaves, buds,
seeds,
sunlight.
water.
That's great, children. We have another set of words here. Garden,
weeding, pruning,
Cutting,
manure, cleaning,
soil,
pots.
watering.
Write these words down and learn them. Join with your friends and try to do the same with other words.